machine A and B could together produce 150 similar loaves of bread in 6 minutes. Every minute A will produce 15 more than B. How long will it take for A to produce 400 loaves by itself? Let's just draw the model for the second sentence. They said that every single minute A will produce 15 more loaves than B. So if A is like that, your B will be like this. And the difference will be 15. And this entire thing will be 1 minute. Okay? And they are saying that in 6 minutes, okay, that means I multiply this time by 6 here, because 1 minute times 6 will be 6 minutes. In 6 minutes, the total I should have 150. Now, what if I'm just talking about 1 minute? In 6 minutes, it can produce 150. How about in 1 minute? So in 1 minute, right? So I'm gonna write down here 6 minutes, it will produce 150. In 1 minute, we just take 150 divided by 6. So 150 divided by 6, this will give us, through this figure to the calculator, you'll be able to get 25. So in 1 minute, this is actually 25. I want to find out for A. Now for A, right, if this entire thing is 25 and B is lesser than A by 15, I will add an imaginary 15 to the 25. Okay, I add my imaginary 15 to my 25 and I'll get 40. And after I add this imaginary 15, do you realize that these two bars are now the same length? Okay, so 2 bars would be 40. So how about 1 bar? So A in 1 minute is 1 bar, right? This would be 40 divided by 2, giving me 20. So it means that my machine A can produce 20 loaves of bread in 1 minute. So now the question is asking for how long would it take for machine A to produce 400 loaves of bread? If in 1 minute machine A can produce 20, how long will it take to produce 400? Very simple. Just take 400 loaves of bread, divide by 20. Okay, and you'll be getting 20 minutes. So if A can produce 20 loaves of bread in 1 minute, you take 400 divided by 20, you'll be getting 20 minutes. And that is the answer. Part 2. So for this kind of method, even using models, it can work magic. So make sure you don't forget about the models. Just that in this question, they're asking for 6 minutes, right? They give you the information for 6 minutes. But doesn't matter what, you can still convert your 6 minutes to 1 minute. And then just there, you convert your 6 minutes to 1 minute. And then draw the model for 1 minute. You don't have to draw the entire 6 minutes. No need. So if your parents watching this this video, right, take note of how I draw the model and how I logic my way through. Okay? If you cannot rationalize your way through, it will be very difficult for you to teach your child. So make sure you get that done first. Alright, done.